Alright, as you can see here, preheating the connection, and about to, as soon as it gets hot enough, I'll show you how I'm going to be soldering this. As you can see, I'm nice and geared up. Hopefully I can hold this still while I work. Should be able to. See if we can get a nice close up. Okay. Okay, it's nice and hot. Alright. Gotta build it up. As soon as I get a nice puddle, I'll start washing it. It's really important to preheat the material you're trying to solder to, otherwise your flux won't stick to it. Got a nice little puddle right here. Alright. Let's go ahead and wash it around a little bit. It's important, the first pass you make, you have to make sure it seeps into the connection that you're trying to bond. Otherwise, you'll just be wasting your time. Let's go ahead and get a little more on there. Make sure I bond over the eye connector. Remember, it's important to preheat because it will not stick otherwise. And there you have it. I have to do the other side, but that's a simple demonstration.